so went to put up the tent and ran into a little problem here. One of the fiberglass poles broken. So what are we gonna do? Well, my choices are pack it up and go home, stay without a tent, but there's some bad weather coming. I could go to town, buy a brand new tent, or I could go to town and buy a repair kit. They sell a lot of repair kits for these. A lot of the poles out there. And guess what? I just happen to have a repair kit with me. You know, it's the Boy Scout in me. Always be prepared. So they come in a kit like this. It's got 4 poles and a tool to help you. And I'm going to show you how to do this real quick. In the very end of the pole, there is where the line comes, and you got to get a hold of it, pull it out, untie the knot so you can slide this. So what I do, pull all the slack out of the rest of the line. So now it's loose right here, and there's the other end right there. Now I got the end right there. See that? So once I get the end of it, we just have to untie this knot. All right, got the knot undone and pull it. Oops, it just shot all the way down through to the broken one anyway. That's good. So you want to be sure to keep these in order. It broke right with the piece in there. Now what's important when I do the new one, these replacement pieces come in, they're longer than the ones you had, so that you can cut them to the length you need. So the next part is I'm going to have to measure my pieces and cut it off right there. And that's the next part that takes a little care. Fiberglass is not easy to cut. It'll splinter on you. You got to have a good saw, like a little a Dremel tool, or a really fine blade hacksaw. And as luck would have it, I happen to have a little saw with me. So hopefully this is going to work out all right. Let me get this measured and we'll start cutting. Line these up, hang on to those poles, come down here, make a mark. Oh. All right, I scribed a little mark there. Now what I'm going to do is start cutting around it. All right, just like that. So once you got your replacement pole cut to length, next thing is to start feeding all of these back in the order that they came apart. Grab the end there on the good end. I'm going to put this together because that'll give me more slack. So what I've done, I got the wire through the pole here. I had put some duct tape on this wire and it's got sticky all over it when I took it off because I was doing it the wrong way the first time. I had the wrong end of the pole in. Anyway, works out nice. Now, if we can get this one through, we're home. Come on, baby. Come on, it's feeding. It's feeding. Do I have enough slack? Oh, it's almost there. Oh, I got it. I got it. Now, undo my temporary knot, which just came undone by itself, and put a knot in this one quick before I lose all of my hard work. Make sure I got all the poles. 2, 3, 4, yeah. We should be good. So let me finish making this knot in here and put my tent up. Got the tent pole fixed and got the tent up, as you can see. So yeah, that put me behind schedule quite a bit, but you know, at least it's still on. I still got a tent for the week, and now I'm just down to putting everything together, putting things away.